Hey guys and gals, it's Flawless Baseball time, Random Players Edition, box number 5. We got a brand new case here. So boxes 5 and 6 of Random Players are inside. 5 is obviously full because that's why we're drawing players right now. Box 6, the last time I checked, had 69 left. I'm sure there's less than that now. If you're just getting in the room and want to get a spot, they will be gone within the next 20 minutes, I call. So let's see which box we're going to use, and let's pick your players. There are 235 total spots in the break. If I roll an odd number, we break the top box. If I roll an even number, we break the bottom box. If you're tired of hearing me say that, then you've joined way too many flawless breaks. Here you go. Breaking the top box. So that's number 5. Random players number 6 right here. Somehow I managed to lose the pen cap right in that little split second right there. What? What just happened? This is black. Oh well, it'll turn up in the next couple minutes. Here we go. For the draw, 1 plus. There it is. Stuck behind the razor. 1 plus 2. Gonna hit the randomizer 3 times. Good luck. So don't be talking about that spider, man. I forgot about it. Now it's gonna be in my back of my head again. YBJ on the bottom, 20 till 3 on the top. You're looking around the room already for it. 1, 2, 3. I did not find the spider. Absolutely not. Natty 12B on the top. And I can't see that far. D Mustaine on the bottom. On the players, Zach Davies, Sam Crawford. Oh, why is Sam Crawford at the top there? That's not alphabetical order. Come on. You gotta put Sam Crawford in his place. Sometimes the Excel does that. He goes right in front of Sam Rice. There he is. Alright. AJ Pollock's on the top. 3 times. 1, 2, third and final hit. Cross your fingers, hold your winners. Good luck. 3. Edgar Martinez on the top. Have yet to pull an Edgar Martinez out of stuff. Could be the time right now. D Gordon on the bottom. P.E.D. Gordon. Haven't seen him either. Here you go. Alphabetical. 20 till 3, number 1, down to Big Blue 36 and the 30. Two Edgar patch autos already? Wow. I pulled King Felix for the first time yesterday. I mean, for the first time in years, pulling a live autograph Felix Hernandez was pretty exciting. 31 to 60, Big Blue to Chef Chris. Yeah, it will be. It'll run out fast. They didn't make very much flawless. I think they said there's a total of 800 cases of flawless baseball. So, put it at that. Probably blew through close to 100 just on Breakers TV yesterday. It was already, you probably killed 1/8 of the product. Some of the big cuts already gone. Yeah. But a lot of those guys that got cuts, they have 3 cuts. You know, there's 3 Ruths, 3 Jackie Robinsons, 3 Ty Cobbs. 1 of each of those gone. 61 to 90, Darren N down to Germans. Still haven't seen Honus Wagner. Clemente came out yesterday, though. I think there was only 1 Clemente. There's only 1 Wagner. They're numbered one. Yeah, so like of Ruth and Gehrig and Ruth. Sorry, I think there's 5 Gehrigs, but the Ruth, there's one that doesn't have a jersey at all. Then there's one with a jersey, and then there's one with a patch. They're all 101. And the same with Jackie Robinson. 91 to 120. Get you started, Jun Sung Lee. So I believe yesterday the Ruth with no relic came, and the Cobb with a jersey came, and a Jackie Robinson either with the jersey or the patch. I'm not sure what it was. Came. So the ones with the Ruth relics are out there, and then there's the one with and without on Cobb and Jackie should be still. Boop 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 boop. 121 to 150. Jun Sung Lee to 5 side 40. 151 to 180, 5 side 40 down to PTP 8502. He's got a bunch. Uh, 181 to 210. PTP down to T-Fish. Roller coaster out there. Five minutes ago we're in timeout. Now we're getting high fives for listening. I love it. Ah, the joys. Yes. Said reinforcement, absolutely. And down to YBJ at the 235. Alright guys and gals, those are your players. I'm going to post this on the website and we'll get ripping in a couple minutes.